Soldering iron box opening. This is a little cheapy. I think it was under 10 bucks. Bought it on Amazon. It's just called soldering iron kit MG6001B. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, what comes in the box? You get a little one-page instruction pamphlet, a warranty card. It does have a lifetime warranty, which surprised me. So it's Moty Garlo is the brand apparently. So that's cool. Solder, a little solder holder with some cleaning sponge. Different types of solder tips here, which is really cool. That'll be handy. The soldering iron itself, and it does have a temperature control switch, little LED there. I'm gonna turn this on and show you how hot it turns, how hot it gets, how quickly. The solder here has a solder dispenser. This was a beast for me to get off. I just was getting this off when I had the camera off, and I already cracked this thing right here. It was not easy to get it off the first time for some reason. So there's the solder dispenser, which would be kind of handy. Quite a bit of solder, not too bad. To just feed that out and hold it. Let's turn on the soldering iron and see how fast it heats up. Just for fun, I'm going to solder these two wires together, just so you can see how fast it heats up. So I'm going to plug this in right now. As soon as I turn it on, the red LED lights up. And if you can see this here, it's kind of cool. It's kind of nice, because my old soldering iron doesn't have this, but you can set the temperature gauge here to go less or more. Wow, it's heating up fast. Like it's already smoking over here. I haven't tinned the tip yet, but probably do that. Let me just see if I can turn it down here. Okay, I've had this on for about 30 seconds and it's already hot. So I'm pretty happy. I mean, my other one took forever to heat up. And to and I have it at the lowest setting right now, okay? I have it at the lowest heat setting, which I think is 200 degrees. And just tinning this tip for fun here. You can see working great right away. So let's just try and see if I can solder with one hand to bring these two together over here. I'm going to heat these up a little bit first. Heat them up a little bit. It's hard, guys, with one hand, but I'll heat them up, then just kind of put them together with my other hand, and then I'll put the solder back here in just a second. See if I can't do this with one hand. There we go. Now let's see if we can't heat this up again, and then I'll try. I gotta have a tripod for this. Hold on. There's no way I can do this. Just heating up the wire so that when I put the solder on it, it'll melt right onto it. Oh, I got some on there anyway. Let's just show you that. So there you go. Okay, it's not a good solder because I did it with one hand, but look at that. Lowest temperature setting, which is ideal. You want to keep it at the lowest temperature if you can. So, hey, this is going to be great. I actually got a spot. Here's my old cheapy soldering iron right here. This thing's a piece of junk, but I use it actually to weld plastic sometimes. I'm careful with it when I do. And so now I'll have this one with these different tips, which is kind of exciting, that I can use here. Those will be handy. You see those okay? There you go, without the glare. There's the different tips there. Let me just show you. So you can see here you have this tip, which is sort of a wider, not quite a blunt tip, it's a pointy tip, but it's not precise. Whereas this one is super sharp tip, fine point tip. Then this next one is the second one. This one's kind of like a flathead screwdriver tip. This one is like a calligraphy pen tip, and well, this one's more like a calligraphy pen tip. And this one's kind of like a razor blade tip. So, really cool, guys. So, hopefully this will last a long time. But it's got a lifetime warranty, and that's good. That should be good if that lasts. And then this little button here. What's this do? Oh, there's your on and off switch. That's nice to have a little on and off switch there. So on and off. Okay. So there it is, guys. Little cheap soldering gun. I only wanted a cheap one. I didn't want to spend a lot of money because I don't do a lot of soldering. $10, lifetime warranty, Moty Garlo. Over and out.